Children, India is marked by a wide variety of physical features like mountains, plateaus and plains. In today's lesson, we will learn more about them.
There are long ranges of mountains in the north of India. They are called the Himalayas. They stretch from Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The range that falls in Kashmir is called the Karakoram range. The eastern part of it, beyond Arunachal Pradesh, is not very high. It is in the form of low hills. These hills are called Northeastern Hills. They include Lushai Hills and Naga Hills. Himalayas means the home of ice. Most of the Himalayan peaks remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayan ranges are about 2,500 kilometers from west to east. They look like an arc. Their north-south width varies from 150 kilometers to 400 kilometers. The Himalayan ranges run parallel to one another. The northernmost range is the highest. It is called the Great Himalayas. The highest peak on it is Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meters. It is in Nepal. Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi are two other high peaks on this range. They are in India. A part of the Great Himalayas lies beyond the river Indus in Kashmir. It is called the Karakoram range. K2 is the highest peak in this range, 8,610 meters. It is the highest peak in India. However, it is second to Mount Everest in height. The northernmost region of the Himalayas always remains covered with snow. There are huge masses of ice all over. Some of these ice masses keep moving down the valleys very slowly. They are called glaciers. Most of the Himalayan rivers like the Indus, the Satluj, the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra rise from these glaciers. The middle range of the Himalayas is called the Middle Himalayas or the Lesser Himalayas. It is to the south of the Great Himalayas. This range of the Himalayas has many valleys. Many important rivers flow through these valleys. Many important hill stations are situated on this range of the Himalayas. Some of these are Shimla, Srinagar, Manali, Mussoorie and Darjeeling.
The southern range of the Himalayas is called the Shivalik range. It is not a continuous range. It has many small hills. The average height of these hills is less than 1,000 meters.
The Shivalik hills receive heavy rainfall. The slopes of these hills are covered with thick forests. Many wild animals live in these forests. They include tigers, leopards, cheetahs, sambhars and bears. The south of the Shivalik range is called Terai. At many places in the Terai region, forests have been cleared up to grow crops. Sugarcane is the major crop of this region. There are a number of passes in the Great Himalayas. The Karakoram Pass lies in Kashmir. The Shipki La Pass lies in Himachal Pradesh. The Bomdila Pass lies in Arunachal Pradesh. Men of great courage have often tried to reach the great heights of the Himalayas. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first to reach Mount Everest in 1953. Tenzing was from India. Hillary was from New Zealand. In 1984, Bachendri Pal, a brave Indian woman, also climbed Mount Everest. She was the first Indian woman to scale this peak.